my beautiful and amazing family. How are you all doing? Thank you very much for always supporting me. I really do appreciate. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, this is Agatha Progress channel on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. As you can see in this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel, all opinion is highly needed in the comment section. And if you love what I am doing in this channel, why don't you click on that button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that we become one big family. All right, my wonderful family, this video we're about to watch, I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you got some lesson from it. All right, my wonderful people, let's go straight into the video. Now, watch it.
So, my people, now good morning. We dey live for Abakaliki, Èbòñýì state capital. Where we dey now Ogoja Road for the state capital. So now they see so. We say we will come tell you now wetin dey happen for onto the sit at home where IPOB called today for the state wey dey for southeast. We don waka this morning round the state capital. We come see say no shop dey open, no businesses for this Ogoja Road now. So now they see all these businesses, all these police stations wey dey here now, none of them dey open. All shops for Abakaliki, we don waka for many streets. We waka from Demage we enter water was. Now we dey Ogoja Road, we no see one single shop wey dey open. Many people sake of say plenty bikes and okada no too dey for road like before. Carry leg dey waka. As una go dey see people wey dey waka. Some still dey stop keke wey dey or bike dey enter. This na Bank for Demage for Ogoja Road where we dey so. They sit at home where IPOB call today, no be the regular one wey dem dey call before. This one they call am say they say in the verse say federal government arrest their leader wey be NNAMDI KANU. For they say they arrest am for Kenya, bring am back to Nigeria to face charges. Now wetin make IPOB say from every Monday starting from today say they go every state for southeast go dey observe the sit at home. This na corporate affairs commission. Here we dey now. Now go see opposite the other side na bank. Everything dey locked. You see the waka. Now go see bank wey dey forward there now. The Bank. Across the other side, Access Bank. All of them dey closed. But one thing we was have say, unlike other sit at homes, where moto and keke no dey dey for road, plenty keke still come out, still try come out, but no too plenty like on a normal Monday business day. No say Monday na dey always be first business day of the week. It always dey busy. But today on dey very scanty. Motor dey for road, but some private motor still dey for road. But they no too plenty. Maybe na people dey go work, essential duty. But ATMs they work for most of the banks where we they see. ATMs they work. People they use ATM. But the bank themselves they close. This one the Bank. You know they see. You know they open. They wakana they go towards Banco Junction. Banco Junction is the junction where they link to Ogoja Road and Afibo Road. Where we dey now, we reach two UBA banks. Two UBA banks there for this road. As they see the signboard for in between them there is Pep shopping mall. This is the first UBA. Gate dey open. As no be like say person no dey there. Don't pass that one. Look, you see the waka they go down. As I been talk before, IPOB called this strike, this sit at home, unto say because they say they never because of the arrests, where they arrest their leader. The trial of as they be arraigned NNAMDI KANU last month. This na PEP, they closed. The second UBA, it appears to be open, while the ATM is open. It doesn't appear that the bank hall itself is open. This is a glow watch and other businesses, other shops. There's plenty here. Many of them they closed. As we talked before, as we walk out this morning, we notice some police patrol vans, they know too plenty, they patrol the streets to ensure say they no molest anybody. They run around, they enter different streets. We stay for Heritage Bank now. Heritage Bank, they locked. Earlier in the morning today, I've been talking to some bank staff, one or two banks, New Generation banks, waiting for the streets. They said they tell them make them come walk home, but make them open. Make them just they observe, make them wait for order. Say they no get order from them, make them no open for business. Say my dear they day since morning, many of them do. I dey in front of one school now, as you can see. Now today where they write NECO, they come school. Now only the way go school today. Today where they write NECO. Yesterday, most private schools where they for town send messages to their parents. To parents, say they no bring their children come school. They in front of Lipo Microfinance Bank now. Most of them they say they tell parents say they no bring their children to school today. Say school will resume on Tuesday. They no give reason, but we know say no go be any other thing. Will not be because of this sit at home order. If another bank now, that big IBTC, ATM they work, banking hall they close. These are businesses waiting for this side. Most of them they closed. As we talked before, yesterday, more confusion become day as news come break say IPOB don cancel the sit at home because of the NECO exam where I've been telling her say students they write today. That statement, the news we carry am say na NNAMDI KANU younger brother be sure. But Mazi Edozie will be IPOB Director of State, the usual statement saying a lie, say the strike must continue. After a whole statement, the spokesperson for IPOB will be NNAMDI KANU also issue another one, say the strike must continue. Say no only am. And Mazi Edozie will be Director of State, to speak for BIAFRA, so no other person gets the right to speak for BIAFRA. You see they cover the news, as we say so, they tell us say many rules for many businesses for this side they closed. As you can see, most businesses still they closed. Across the other side, Unity Bank, you see they closed. They close to Banco Junction now. Banco Junction now we have plenty businesses. See plenty people there, their houses just they play, they go. Children their house they play. Children down that street. They do anything. But okay, they run, okay, they move. Yeah, so my people, now see BBC PG. We there for Abakaliki Ebonyi State. We cover the statue waiting for Ebonyi State. So make we tell una say sit at home. Plenty people comply, especially businesses for the states, shops and banks and other big businesses. Most of them, many of them are open. In fact, I never see any shop with the open today before I come out. Right now, today Papanka Junction. Now here we will round up today's coverage. But maybe I see plenty people don't they come out now. Maybe because of security waiting for the town. These people will carry leg, keke and bike, they today for road. But business is still closed. Now here we dey. This is the popular bank junction of Abakaliki, Èbòñýì State. Road still they go down that way. This is Napibo Road. Now here we go. They round up the best coverage of this event, my people. Until next time, later in the day, we will come back again, give you another version, another coverage, to know how to see whether situations with the CBRB don't change. We'll come back by midday. From now, from me, in Abakaliki, Èbòñýì State capital, goodbye for now. Now well done.
So my wonderful family, it is a very interesting one to know that they are all complying. Hey, this will continue until they let go the leader of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi KANU. Alright, my wonderful family, please, if you know you haven't subscribed, what are you then waiting for? Click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.